Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to make LED blink program with blue pill board, and we will modify the previous code by using bitwise shift operator. So let's get started step by step. This is previous code. So let us modify this code by using bitwise shift operator. So first of all, we will see this. Here we have to enable the clock for GPIO C peripheral. Okay. So again we will go to user manual, go to RCC register and go to APB2. This is APB2 bus. For enabling port C, we have to set the fourth bit position of this register. Okay, so it will be 1. So it will be like this. Here we can type 1, left shift and 4. Okay, now we have to clear the bit of mode register. So again go to user manual, go to IO, and here GPIO registers. Okay, this is the port configuration register. We have to reset for 13 number pin. So 20th, 21st, 22nd and 23rd we have to reset this bit. So it will be like 1, left shift 20. Okay, copy this 4 times. Okay, here don't forget to negate. Okay, instead of this 4 line we can write in 1 line. So I will remove this. We can type here 15, because 15 will be in binary form 111. So it will be 1, it will be 1, and it will be 1, and it will be 1. Okay, so I will explain you clearly. It will be 1, 1, 1 and 1. So in binary form it will be 15. Okay, and now we have to set as the output mode. So to set as the output 13 number pin, so mode 13 will be 10. To select 2 megahertz clock frequency, and 23rd and 22nd it is CNF 13, it will be 0 for general purpose output, push pull output. Okay, so only 21st bit position will be set. So here we can type 1, left shifted by 21st. Okay, now code is ready. Now we will make program for LED blink. So I will use while loop, and it will be infinite. First of all, we will set the LED. So for the set the LED, it will be set the bit 30. Here I will use delay. So for the delay I will use for loop. I less than 5 lakh and I plus plus. Okay, I'll copy this. Paste here. Okay, I will remove this and I will change in bitwise operator. So it is 13 number bit, so it will be 1 left shifted by 13. Okay, it will be same like here. Okay, now I will compile and upload this code. So press on run button. Where is problem? Okay, here I equal to 0. Okay, now I will again press run button. Wow, great. You can see now LED is blinking. So I hope you learn how to use bitwise operator in embedded C program. So friends, if you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. Please don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.